Right. Good afternoon, everyone. What is the last topic? What is it? Test execution, right? Okay. Online students, is it the screen is visible? Online students can respond in the chat window. All the online students can respond in the chat window. Okay, right. Next takedown. Take with the heading is bug reporting. Take with the new heading is bug reporting. Having a new heading is bug reporting. Okay, right. Let's understand on this. The one we have been taking care about in implementing with STLC. What is the meaning of STLC? What is it? Software testing life cycle, right? So we have been taking care about in implementing with STLC. As part of STLC, what is the first step need to be done? What is the first step? Requirement understanding. Okay. What is the next one? Test plan. After that, test scenarios. Okay. After that, test cases. Okay. After that, test execution. Okay. After that, taking with bug reporting. After that, which need to be get considering the test closure. As simple as part of this particular testing, if you want to be get implement this particular testing activities, we need to be get taking care about in implementing these particular step. In this particular one, the one we have been taking care about requirements understanding, we need to be get refer, which need to be get taking care about in referring that particular requirement documents as part of that project or related to that particular client. Whatever the documents has been provided, we need to be get refer that particular documents here. So the one it will be taking with requirement documents here, and then it will be mentioning about taking with test plan. Who will prepare the test plan? Who will prepare the test plan? Taking care by test lead. So the test lead will be taking care about in preparing that particular whole test plan here. So then it got mentioning about test scenarios. Meaning of test scenarios? Meaning of test scenarios? What need to be tested. At the same time, we need to be get considering the high level design. The one it will be considering that what need to be tested. At the same time, we need to be get considering the high level design. In a similar way, we got test cases. Meaning of test cases? What is it? How to be tested. The meaning of test cases, we need to be get considering that how to be tested. That particular one, we need to be get considering that low level design. At the same time, you got taking with test execution. Meaning of test execution? Comparison of expected result with actual result. So as part of this particular test execution, we need to be get taking care about in doing with the comparison of expected result with actual result. Then you will be taking with bug reporting. The meaning of bug reporting. Meaning of bug reporting? Expected result and actual result is not same. Okay. The meaning of bug reporting, as simple as we can consider in that. The meaning of bug reporting, we can mention in that documenting the issue. I mean, we have been taking care about doing execution. As part of execution, what we are performing? As part of execution, what we are doing? Comparison of expected result and actual result. As part of the test execution, we need to be taking care about that expected result need to be compared with actual result. If both the results are same, we need to be considering that pass. If both the results are not same, what will consider? Fail. In case of pass, what need to be done? In case of pass, what need to be done? Taking the help of another test case. In case of fail, bug reporting. In case of any of the test case has been failed, we need to be report with the bug. So the meaning of reporting with the bug or bug reporting. What is the meaning of bug reporting? What is the meaning of that? Documenting with the issue. The meaning of bug reporting, it's not like TV9 reporting here, going to TV9 office and reporting it. So it's not like you are reporting to anyone. And moreover, it's not like you are approaching to the developer and then you are reporting to the developer saying that developer, this is the issue is there. The terminology considering the bug reporting, meaning of that particular bug reporting, it's not like you are reporting to any one particular person. What exactly the issue has been there? What exactly that particular issue is there? Need to be document that particular issue. So the process of what you are documenting with the issue, that particular terminology, you are considering the bug reporting. As simple as previously you documented test scenarios. What is the meaning of test scenarios? Meaning of test scenarios. What need to be tested? The meaning of that particular test scenarios. The meaning of that particular test scenarios. You need to be documenting that what are all the functionalities need to be tested. In a similar way, you are taking the test cases. Meaning of the test cases? How to be tested. You are just documenting that information as part of manual testing or as part of the testing. Most of the time, you need to be spent in doing that particular respective documentation. Scenarios, you are documenting. Test cases, you are documenting. Execution also, you are performing that execution. What exactly you got executed that need to be documented. In a similar way, we need to be taking with bug reporting. So the meaning of bug reporting. What is the meaning of bug reporting? Documenting the issue. So the meaning of bug reporting, we need to be documenting that particular issue. So what exactly that particular issue is there? You need to be document that particular issue. Now, for documenting this particular issue, we need to be taking with the help of template. While writing with the scenarios, we need to be taking with the help of template. While writing with the scenarios, we need to be taking with the help of template. At the same time, while documenting with the test cases also, we need to be taking with the help of the template. In a similar way, at the time of execution also, we need to be taking with the help of template. So while writing test cases, taking the help of template, scenarios, taking with the help of the template, execution, taking with the help of the template. In a similar way, while documenting with the bug also, we need to be documenting that particular issue. So while documenting with the bug also, we need to be taking care about that particular respective template. While writing scenarios, taking with the help of template, while taking with test cases, we need to be taking with the help of the template. In a similar way, while documenting with the issue also, we need to be taking with the help of template. Previously, we got scenario template and we got edge case template, and now you will be taking with defect template. Who will prepare these templates? Who will prepare the templates? Test lead. Meaning of template? Meaning of template? Format. Related to that particular project, what exactly that particular template need to be followed. Related to that particular project, what exactly that particular template need to be followed. You need to be taking with the help of that particular respective template. So that particular defect template, we need to be provide. We need to be provide this particular respective defect template. You can consider that defect template, or you can consider in that bug template. For now, you can understand that. You can understand that defect and bug both are same. For now, you can understand that bug and defect both are same here. So we need to be taking with the help of this particular bug template. We need to be taking with the help of this particular bug template. This particular bug template we need to be this particular bug template we need to be provide. In which folder we need to provide? Scenarios you are taking into scenarios folder. Test cases you maintained in test cases folder. These particular bugs where you will maintain? In the template, you got template, that is okay. But now we need to be document the bugs. So that particular bugs, in which folder we have to maintain? Test cases. Is that we are writing the test cases? Documents is, that is requirement documents. Create new folder. Well, create one folder, sir. Bug reporting will provide in that file. As simple as, while writing the test cases, did we identify any bugs? Identified or not? Yes, sir. While writing the test cases, you identified bugs, sir? No. While writing the scenarios, at the time of writing with the scenarios, you have not identified any bugs. At the time of writing the test cases, you have not identified any bugs. When you got identified the bugs? At the time of test execution, while doing with the test execution, we need to identify the bugs. So because of that, in which folder it will maintain? Which you will be taking with test execution. Under test execution, which build we are working? Build 1. So under that particular build 1, you need to be get provide. Under that particular build 1, you need to be get provide, taking that particular respective things. Now we can see here. This particular one, you can considering the bug, or you can considering the taking with defect. You can considering the bug, or you can considering the defect. This particular one we need to be get taking related to which application? Related to adapting. So now taking with the help of this particular template, we need to be get taking with the help of this particular template. By having this particular template, we need to be get documenting with the bugs here. Now let's see that how exactly we can document. Let's see that how exactly we can document this particular bug. Now we can see here. This particular one, you can considering the bug template, or you can consider the defect template. You can consider the bug template, or you can considering the defect template. Okay. So now see the concept. First see that understanding. What is the first column name we got? Defect ID. We need to be get provide. ID of that particular defect. We need to be get provide ID of that particular defect, or we need to be get provide ID of that particular bug. As simple as previously you got provided test scenario ID and you provided test case ID. In a similar way, what do you have to provide? So we need to be get provide this particular defect ID, or we need to be get consider bug ID. What is the next one? Meaning of status? Meaning of status. Pass or fail? Why pass or fail? Current situation. Can we consider as a progress? Progress or not? So that particular status, we can mention that what exactly the progress of that particular bug. Is that totally new bug, or is that the bug has been already reported? So what exactly the progress of that particular bug we need to be get provide. The one it will be consider defect ID, and then it will consider status. Need to be get mentioning the progress. After that, severity, priority, that I'll discuss. For now, you can ignore. For today, you can ignore. I'll discuss on that. What is the next one? What is it? Model. So that particular one, it will be mentioning that model name, or you can considering that test case name. So you can consider that model name, or you can consider that test case name, page name. You need to be get provide. That particular model name, or you can considering the page name here. Okay. Next one. reported by. Reported by is reported by tester. Need to be get provide tester name. Reported by, we need to be get considering the tester name here. What is the next one? Assigned it to. Assigned it to is? To whom you will assign? Will assign to KCR. KCR fix the bug. So assigned it to is one option, developer name. If you are aware of that, who is that particular developer, you need to be get provide that particular developer name. If you are aware of that, who is that particular developer, you need to be get considering the developer name. That is one option. So one option is taking that particular developer name. Searching for developer. To whom you want to assign the bug, searching for developer now only. Starting from the session 2 BC. Okay. This assigned to, meaning of assigned to? Assigned to developer name. The one you can provide developer name. One option. Another option, group ID of the development team. When you are taking with the real time, for all the employees, individual mail IDs will be there. At the same time, related to that particular team, group ID will be there. For development team, one group ID. For testing team, one group ID will be provided. So need to be get considering that either it can provide developer name or it can provide group ID of the development team, or you can mention test lead name. We can assign to test lead. See the options here. What is the one option? Developer name. Another option? Group ID of development team. What is another option? Taking with test lead here. So as part of that project, you need to be get taking with that particular required option here. And then you will be taking with browser. Need to be get provide that particular browser name. After that, you will be taking with found in version number, and taking with found in bill. Need to be get provide bill number. What is the next one here? Fixed in version. Another one is fixed in bill. So fixed in version, fixed in bill. Who will fix the bug? Who will fix the bug? Who will identify the bug? Who will identify the bug? Tester. Job role of the tester is in just identifying the bugs only. His job is more easy. Fixing with the bug need to be get taken care by developer. Developer has to be taking care about in fixing that particular bug. So as part of tester, you are taking care about identifying with the bug. Once bug has been reported, need to be get fixed that particular bug. So that particular bug fix taking care by developer. So fixed in version, fixed in bill, taking care by developer. Then what is the next one? What is it? Title. You can consider in the title, or you can mention the summary. You can mention that particular title, or you can mention which you will be taking with summary here. So now the meaning of title or the meaning of summary. What is the meaning of summary? Description. A small description. That particular title or summary, you can consider that a small overview. or taking with the description, a small overview or taking with the description of that particular bug, related to that particular bug, you need to be get provide. Related to that particular bug, you need to be get provide a small overview or need to be get provide a small description. That will be considered. That will be considering the title here. At the same time, need to be provide steps to reproduce and then taking with expected result and need to be provide actual result. Meaning of expected result? Meaning of expected result? Result based on requirement document. Meaning of actual result? Result based on application. So the same thing you need to be get documented. So as part of test execution, we need to be get taking with. As part of the test execution, we need to be get taking care about in identifying with the bugs. Once we got identify the bugs, we need to be get taking care about that particular bug reporting. So let's see that how exactly we can identify that particular bugs. Once we got identified, we need to be get report that particular bugs. Identify the bugs. How many bugs? 2 bugs. One bug is check-in day. Another bug is hello text. I'm asking about what are the bugs you identified, not Suresh sir identified. What is it? Okay, links, Google Play links are not working still. Email, what is a bug? Okay, wrong email ID also working. That is bug still. Online students, what are the bugs identified? Why guys, you will never practice it, huh? Then what is the use of attending the session, guys? If you are not practicing it, you will not have any use. Just attending it, that your satisfaction only. You need to be spend the time in taking the practice. If you are not practicing it, there is no use of that memory leakage. You guys are 2 developers, guys. Online students, Aadhaar number. Really, you guys are developers only, guys. Online students, I am asking about the bugs. What are the bugs he got identified? Then I'll do one thing, guys. After completion of the manual testing, I'll take in a break then. Once you complete practice, then I'll restart it. That is what I'll do. That is the best thing I'm assuming it. We'll complete manual testing. We'll take in a break of 1 month, and after that, we'll start with automation testing. Within 1 month, you can come back by practicing all the manual testing. Then when you will practice? If you are not practicing it, there is no use of completing the concept, guys. Credit card, developer given money, yeah. What is these bugs, guys? Still confusion. That is the best thing, guys. I'll inform to the management team to have a break after completion of manual testing. Then when you will practice, tell me. Today will on onwards. From today we'll practice. Tomorrow asking again, today we'll practice it. Whenever you are asking, today we'll practice it. But please look into that, guys. If you are not practicing it, definitely I'll give in a break. Because I don't have issues with the management. Whatever I'm saying, they will accept it. I'm having that kind of rights out there. If you're not practicing it, I'll not continue with automation testing. At any cost, my manual testing need to be done. I required you guys need to be coming up with 25 bugs everyone. Until unless you are not identifying the 25 bugs, including the online students also, I will not go with the automation. Think about yourself only. Either training need to be completed or require the break of 1 month. Because if you're not practicing it, there is no use of doing it. Today only will start. So whatever it can be, I'm not sure how you will be working it, how you will manage your schedules. But I need to be required with minimum of 25 bucks from each and every person. Each and every person minimum you have to come up with. In a worst cases, at least 20 bucks I required here. There are 40 plus, almost 30 to 40 bucks are there in this particular build one. You need to be coming up with 20 bucks here. Individually, everyone need to be identify that particular bugs. So today I'll tell you that documented. You need to be start documenting that particular Excel. Once it got documented, all you guys need to be send that report. How to send that report, I'll tell you that here. So you need to be required. If you guys are not sending with the report, I will not be continued with the automation here. Remember on that, think about on that, and have a plan according to that. Either need to continue the session or required a break for the session. You guys can decide it and confirm me by tomorrow. Confirm or not? What you will confirm? Bug reporting. So I required with the bugs at any cost, including online students. Online students looks like most of the people are sleeping in online. Already offline people converted online for sleeping also. All the online students are available or sleeping. Online students can respond in the chat window, at least available or not. All the online students can respond in the chat window, at least yes or no. All the online students, please respond in the chat window. What he will do in the hostels, guys? Sleeping. Classroom sleeping, hostel sleeping, Java class also sleeping. Java not sleeping. No. Who is your trainer? Kishan sir. Okay. At least these people are responding and sleeping also. Very perfect. Okay, right. Let's complete on that. But please take care about it. Please take care about look into the practice. Otherwise, I'll give in a break. Definitely, I'll give the break. Look into the taking with the practice. Okay. So now let's see that how exactly we can document this particular bug. If you want to document with the bug. Let me take with the bug we got. So the one we got identified. If we get look into this particular bug one, we need to be get document related to check-in date. We need to be get documenting with the bug related to check-in date here. Okay. Now you can see here how exactly we can document it. The first column name. What is the first column name we got? Defect ID. So that particular defect ID followed with the same series. What is that particular series you will follow? Bug 001. So you can follow with the same series that you will be considering the bug 001. You need to be documenting that particular bug. In case of documenting with one more bug, you can mention the bug 002. So that you will be getting starting with the series 001. Then you will be taking with status. There are lot of options are there related to the status. There are lot of options are there related to the status. For now, you can provide with the status. What is the status you will provide? What is the status will provide? New. For today, you can provide with the status is new. What are other status that you will understand? So for today, you can provide with the status is new. Okay. After that, severity, priority. We look into the next step. What is the next one? Model. Meaning of that model? Not page number. Page name. Page name, or you can consider that model name. We can provide that particular page name, or you can consider that particular model name here. Okay. Now you can see that this particular model, in which model we got that bug? First model. In which model you got that bug of check-in date? What is it? Select total page. User registration. Still? What is it? Such a hotel page. The bug is related to check-in date. So the bug is related to check-in date. Now I can see here. Once you have been done with the login, in this particular search hotel, you got a bug. You need to provide that particular model. What is that model name? What is that model name? So which you will be considering that search hotel. You need to provide that particular model that you will be considering the search hotel. Then you will be taking with reported by. Reported by is tester name. You need to mention that particular tester name. Assigned to is developer name or group ID of development team or test lead. So for now, you can mention that particular dev considering the development name. I mean, you can consider that developer. Then you will be taking with browser, which need to be considering the taking with Chrome browser, which you will be taking with the browser that you will be taking with Chrome browser. Okay. Then you will be taking with found in version. Found in version, you can considering that one. That particular found in version, you can considering that one. In a similar way, taking with found in bill. That particular found in bill, what is the bill number? What is the bill number? 1. That particular found in bill, you can consider that 1. So found in version, you can considering that 1, and found in bill, you can considering that 1. Then you will be taking with fixed in version, fixed in bill. So fixed in version, fixed in bill. Taking care by developer. fixed in version, fixed in bill, taken care by developer. You are not worried. So after that, you need to be get provide that particular title, or you need to be get provide summary. So what is the meaning of the title or summary? A small overview or description related to that particular bug. So what is the title you will write? You are knowing with the bug. The bug is related to check-in date. Now what exactly the title you will write? Check-in date? Accepting previous date. Still? Any other terminologies? Okay. See the understanding. What exactly the bug is related to? What is that bug? It is accepting with the previous date. When you enter with the current date and when you enter with the future date, is it working or not? If you enter with the current date and if you enter with the future date, then check-in date is working or not? Working or not, guys? It is working. If you are providing with the current date and if you are providing with the future date, the check-in date is working. The only problem we are getting, problem with previous date. You are getting with the problem with previous date. I mean, looking into that particular bug is you are selecting the date or you are entering the date. Once you have been enter with the date, either you got enter. Once you have been enter with the date, either you have been entered current date or previous date or future date. That kind of validation is not done here. You are entering the date, but whatever the date you entered, that application is not looking into that. Either it has been current date or it has been future date, which date you have been entered. That kind of validation is not done. So that is what it will be mentioning that. So writing with the title, mentioning that validation of check-in date. Validation of check-in date is not working. Validation of check-in date is not working. So what exactly not working? Considering that accepting previous date. So accepting previous date. Not like you guys need to write as it is. You can write in any way, but by seeing with the title, the people has to be understand that what exactly that particular bug has been related to. So by seeing that particular title, the people has to be understand that what exactly that particular bug is related to. That is how you need to be provide that particular title. So considering that particular title, the need to be mentioning about taking with steps to reproduce, taking with the step. You need to be provide with the steps. You need to be provide with the steps in a very detail here. That particular step, no concept of shortcut. While doing with the bug reporting, there is no concept of the shortcuts here. Need to be provide all the steps in very detail. You can see with the steps here. Looking into the step. What are the steps you will write? Considering that launch browser. After that, need to be mentioned. Considering that enter URL. After that, enter considering the username, and after that need to be get considering that enter password. Okay. After that, which you will be taking with considering that click on login button. So need to be get considering that click on login button. After that, which need to be get mentioning about, we need to be get mentioning that select all the required fields. You need to be get mentioning that select all the required fields here. After that, we need to be get provide. We need to be get select all the required fields. Once we got select all the required fields, you need to be get mentioning that select check-in date. Select check-in date as previous date. We need to be get select check-in date as previous date. And after that, need to be get mentioning that considering that we need to be get mentioning about click on search button. Click on search button. So you need to be get considering the expected result. What is the expected result? What is the expected result? Error message should be displayed. So this particular expected result, we need to be get mentioning that error message should be displayed. Okay. Then you will be taking actual result. What is actual result? Actual result. What is actual result he got? Once you click on that search button, what is the particular actual result he got? Select a hotel, page is displayed. You need to be get considering that select a hotel, page is displayed. So the one you need to be get provide that particular expected result and actual result. Still if required, in some project, you can provide with the comments also. In case of some project, you will be adding with one more particular name. So that you will be mentioning about. You will be considering that taking with attachments here. Meaning of the attachments? Screenshot. So where exactly that particular bug you got, you will be taking with the screenshot of that and you need to be get provide that particular bug. So that is how you need to be get taking care about in documenting with that particular issue. So that is what you will mention that bug reporting. What is the meaning of bug reporting? Meaning of bug reporting? Documenting with the issue. So the meaning of bug reporting, we need to be get mentioning that you have to take care about in documenting that particular issue. Now considering that taking with test cases, you have been writing with the test cases. Is that you created test cases in one Excel or multiple Excel? One Excel or multiple Excel? One Excel. You got writing with the test scenarios. That particular test scenarios, is that created with the test scenarios in one Excel or multiple Excel? One Excel only. So all the scenarios you got documented in one Excel. At the same time, all the test cases also you got documented in one particular Excel. In a similar way, you got documented. In a similar way, you need to be get documented all the bugs in one Excel. You required only one particular Excel file. You required only one particular Excel file. In that particular Excel file, you need to be get documenting. In that particular Excel file, you need to be get documenting all the bugs here. So how you can document that particular bug? As simple as you can take with the sheet. I'm just providing sheet name. I'm just providing that particular sheet name considering the bug 001. Assume that you want to be get document one more bug. What do you have to do? You need to be just taking with another sheet and you have to get document that particular bug. If you want to be go with same template, if you want to be go with the same template, as simple as do with the right click. What is option you will be using? What is option you can try? Move or copy. You can just try with move or copy. Click on the checkbox. What is the checkbox? What is the checkbox? Create a copy. So which need to be get click on that. You will be able to see that. You will be able to see that in having with one more particular sheet. And this particular sheet, you will be considering that bug 2. So like that, you need to be get continued. You need to be get continued documenting all that particular bugs. Everything in one Excel. All the scenarios, one Excel file. All the test cases, one more Excel file. And all these particular bugs also, one more Excel file. Now we can see here. This particular bug 2. This particular bug 2. Providing that particular bug. What is that particular bug? You are taking into 2. Taking with the status. What is the status? What is the status? New. By default, it will be considered as a new. After that, severity, priority, we'll look into that. Let's take with the model. Now we'll start documenting with one more particular bug. We'll take with one more particular bug which you will be mentioning about. You will be mentioning about taking with hello text username. You need to be get considering that the bug is related to hello text username. Okay. So now you will be taking with reported by. So reported by. So before that you need to be provide model. What is the meaning of that model? Meaning of that model? Page name or taking with model name. Okay. So what is that model name we will provide? Search hotel or select hotel? Select hotel or search hotel? What is it? Select a hotel. In the search hotel page, it is displaying with the correctly. In which page you got an issue? Select a hotel. Which need to be get considering that. In which need to be get considering that. Taking with select a hotel. Then you will be taking with reported by. So reported by is tester name. Considering that assigned it to mentioning about developer. So one option is developer. What is another option? Group ID of development team. What is another option? Taking with test lead. Then you will be taking with browser. Considering browser name and then found in version and then taking with found in bill. Then you will be taking with this particular title and you will be taking with summary. So what is the meaning of title? A small overview or description related to that particular bug. Now the bug you are knowing. What is the bug is related to? What is the bug is related to? Hello text here. Now what is the title you will write? What is the text? What is the title you will write? What is it? Hello text. Okay, still. Username? Uh-huh. Username displayed with hello text. Not displayed. Still you are not thinking as testers. Uh-huh. See the understanding. What exactly the bug is related to? Bug is related to hello text. What is that issue? Uh-huh. Username. Username. Which username? Which username? Now combine all these words. Uh-huh. See that the bug is related to whatever the username you are entering in login page. In the login page, you are entering with the username. So in that particular login page, whatever the username you got entered, the same username it has to be displayed. So that is what exactly that particular bug. So how you'll form the sentence? Username entered in login page. Is not displaying correctly. It is displaying it, but it is not displaying correctly on which page? Select hotel page. So by seeing with the title, the people has to be understood what exactly the bug is related to. So according to that, you need to get document. Now see the steps here. What are the steps you will do? Launch browser, enter URL, enter username, enter password, click on login button. And after that, you will be selecting with all the required fields and then you will click on search button. And after that, you will be mentioning about verify hello text here. In that expected result. What is the expected result? Same as you will be considering that username entered in login page should be displayed on select hotel page, considering that as which you will be taking with hello. So what exactly the username is there? It's need to be get displayed. So by seeing that particular one, the people has to be understood what exactly the bug is related to, what are the steps are there, for that what will be the expected result, and need to be get considered that what is that actual result. So this particular actual result, what is actual result you will write? What is actual result? So the meaning of actual result, what exactly you are seeing in the application. So I can mention that hello text in select hotel page. Hello text in select hotel page. Select hotel page is displayed as hello username. So what exactly that particular actual result is there, you need to be provide that particular actual result here. So this is what you need to be taking care about in documenting that particular bug. So this is how I required you guys need to be get continued documenting with the bugs. So first identify the bugs. Make a note of what are all the bugs are there. Then you can take this bug template. Start documenting all the bugs here. You can document like one sheet, one particular bug. You can document one particular sheet in one particular bug. You need to be get do that. So that you need to be get continued documenting all that particular bugs here. So in this bug template, I given this defect overview. You guys don't worry about on this. Just taking with the template according to that particular template. You need to be get continued documenting with the bug. I'm clearly mentioning that if you guys are attending with the interview as a tester, in case if you are attending with the interview as a tester, you never have any of the interview without having the question of bug reporting. 100%, not like 99, 100% you will be getting with the question related to the bug reporting. So take care about how you can document all that particular things. So for tomorrow, how many bugs you will identify? 20 bugs. I required with the 20 bugs. Please spend with the time. If you are not spending the time, I'll be taking the break. If you are not spending with the time, not practicing it, online students also. So please spend with the time in practice, then only I can continue with automation. Otherwise, I'll be giving with the break. So please look into that, take with the practice. By tomorrow, come up with identifying with that particular 20 bugs and you can start documenting that particular bugs here. Okay? Clear? So tomorrow we'll go with another important concept. What is that important concept? Disclosure. So still lot of things are there. So tomorrow we'll be taking with the very most important concept. That particular status you need to be get understand bug life cycle. We need to be get understood another most important concept, bug life cycle. So what is mean by bug life cycle? Everything you will understand. First we'll complete it. After that we'll be taking with remaining things here. In a meanwhile, take care about all that particular respective concept. Spend with the time in identifying the bugs here. Okay? Clear? Carry on. Thank you.